Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Change Your Life. Flexibility is one of the key component of our fitness. Through our yoga postures, our main target is to improve your flexibility. In this video, we are going to present you some of the intermediate yoga postures which you can practice at home. But before we start, I'm sure you all have seen and practiced our beginner yoga set already. If not, you can find the link in the description of this video. Yoga stretches lengthens our muscle to give them better pain-free range of motion. It also helps our joint with increased elasticity. So let's get started with our yoga intermediate set. Our first asana is tree pose Vrikshasana. It improves your balance and stability in the legs. It strengthens the ligaments and tendons of your feet. It assists the body in establishing pelvic stability. Our second asana is pyramid pose or Parvattasana. It stretches the hamstring of the front leg. It improves the strength in the quadriceps, which is your thighs. It improves your balance and stability and also help you strengthen the entire spine. Our third asana is standing toe reach, Hastapadasana. It's effective in increasing the height. It reduces your belly fat and gives you a flat stomach. It also cures stomach disorder like constipation. It strengthens the spine and brings flexibility. It increases your blood circulation in the brain, and it's very beneficial for women because it reduces your menstrual problems too. Our fourth asana is lotus pose Padmasana. It opens up the stiff hips. It stretches the ankles and knees. It calms the brain and increases the awareness. That's why it is considered one of the best asanas for meditation. It keeps the spine straight. It helps you develop very good posture. It also eases menstrual discomfort and sciatica. Our fifth asana is seated toe reach Paschimottanasana. It stretches your body from head to the heels. It balances your menstrual cycles and menopause discomfort. It's a fantastic stress buster. It strengthens the pelvic muscle group, especially useful for women after the childbirth. Our sixth asana is seated wide angle straddle, Upavishta Konasana. It strengthens the spinal cord, it relaxes and calms the brain, it relieves arthritis, it activates your core muscle group. Our seventh asana is camel pose Ustrasana. It improves your digestion, relieves your lower backache. It improves your flexibility of the spine and also improves the posture. It helps overcome the menstrual discomfort. Our eighth asana is bridge pose Chakrasana. It stretches the chest and lungs. It increases energy and counteracts depression. It's therapeutic for asthma, back pain, infertility and osteoporosis. Our ninth asana is Cobra pose Bhujangasana. It decreases stiffness of the lower back. It increases flexibility. Again, fantastic for women as it improves your menstrual irregularities. It also helps you elevate your mood. Our 10th asana is boat pose Navasana. It strengthens the abdominal muscles. It promotes healthy weight loss. It enhances your blood circulation and it also helps you balance your hormonal system. So this is how our yoga intermediate set looks like. You need to perform 2 to 3 sets of each asana and you need to hold it for 20 to 30 seconds each. You can even hold for longer durations too. It starts with tree pose Vrikshasana and ends with boat pose Navasana.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon so we'll get the notifications for our upcoming videos. Thank you.